Hello friends, welcome back to tutscorner.com videos. How to remove lectins from rice. While rice is typically regarded as a low lectin food with no significant association with high lectin content, those with concerns about lectins in rice or specific dietary limitations can take these steps to further reduce lectin presence. 1. Select low lectin rice varieties. Certain rice varieties naturally contain lower lectin levels than others. Basmati and jasmine rice, for example, are commonly recognized as having fewer lectins compared to other rice types. Opting for these varieties can be particularly suitable if you are especially cautious about lectin intake. 2. Rinse the rice. Thoroughly rinsing rice before cooking can help eliminate some surface lectins and starch. To rinse rice effectively, place it in a fine mesh strainer and run cold water over it while gently agitating the rice with your fingers. Continue rinsing until the water runs clear. 3. Soak the rice. Pre-soaking rice before cooking is another way to further diminish lectin levels. Here is how to go about it. Place the rinsed rice in a bowl. Cover the rice with water, ensuring there is approximately 2 to 3 inches of water above the rice. Add a pinch of salt to the water. Allow the rice to soak for 30 minutes to an hour. Drain the rice before cooking. 4. Cook the rice. Cooking rice at higher temperatures can aid in breaking down lectins. Boiling or steaming rice is the most conventional cooking approach. Adhere to the cooking instructions provided on the rice packaging to ensure it is fully cooked. Cooking times and water to rice ratios may vary depending on the rice type. 5. Explore rice alternatives. For those with heightened sensitivity to lectins or a desire to entirely avoid them, exploring rice alternatives can be a viable option. Consider options like cauliflower rice, quinoa, or other grains naturally lower in lectins. It's essential to bear in mind that rice is a dietary staple in numerous cultures and is generally perceived as safe and nutritious. For most individuals, lectin-related concerns are not a primary issue unless they possess specific dietary constraints or underlying health conditions. If you have particular dietary apprehensions pertaining to lectins or other dietary components, it is prudent to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary guidance. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.